Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Hyundai Elantra cabin air filter. Park on level ground, turn off the engine, and open the glove box. Release the glove box stops, lower it gently, and remove the plastic access cover. Slide out the old filter, note its airflow arrow, and insert the new filter in the same direction. Reinstall the cover and glove box, then test airflow through the vents to confirm proper installation. Lower the glove box and locate the dampener arm or stops that limit movement. Press the glove box sides inward to release the stops, then gently lower the box until you can access the filter cover. Remove any screws securing the access panel, keeping hardware in a safe place. Work deliberately and keep parts organized so reassembly is quick and straightforward for a clean, stress-free process. If you are enjoying the tutorial, please subscribe and like, it really helps. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is great for keeping car-related dirt off floors with voice control and smart mapping. It picks up crumbs and pet hair so you spend less time cleaning carpet and mats. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Pull the old filter straight out and inspect it for leaves, dust, and mold that reduce airflow. Compare the new filter to the old one, aligning the airflow arrow in the proper direction toward the cabin. Slide the replacement into the housing evenly, ensuring it seats fully without gaps. Reattach the access cover and glove box stops, then test the heater and a /C to verify improved airflow and reduced cabin dust.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.